Hey everyone, so today version 0.6.3 is out, and let's start with reviewing what's out. So the biggest update on this release is the script schedule engine. Actually, that's something that was not available on tactical RMM APIs out of the box, so we had to kind of add it on our own. So we have our own fork of tactical RMM, so we just change it there, and we'll show it in a second. We added Claude 4.6 and GPT-5 engines, bugs, a bunch of bug fixes. There was problems with AI execution tool with large outputs of mostly RMM commands. We also had problems with approval, technician side approval from the dashboard that was sometimes getting the entire chain stack. So getting stuck, and we fixed it. Um, yeah, bunch of stuff, databases things. We moved on Mac, we moved Fay to be real DMG, and we'll show this in the demo. Also, we added divide sorting. We fixed a bunch of stuff with the chat. The chat was not sticking to the bottom, so we fixed it. Testing script is new, like we built it from scratch. Logging, we kind of doing a bunch of stuff because we're starting to have a lot of customers, so we really have to do it. Yeah, as usual, by the way, if we'll go to our website, and this link will be part of this YouTube video and also part of any social media update we are launching. If you're gonna go to product and releases here, you're gonna find everything. Also this video, I'm gonna add it once I'm done recording it. Okay, so let's go to the more interesting stuff. So if you'll head over to scripts, you're gonna see new section here, script schedule. First thing we added is the complete rebuild of the script, of the new script window. If we'll go to one of the scripts, and we're gonna go here, if we're gonna do test script, actually I don't want this script, let's take another one. Let's take this one. This just prints hey. So let's let it run on my testing machine. So you see that the test script looks like this, and immediately show you the results. Um, you have here better user experience for the end variables and for the arguments. If we'll go back, let's start talking about the script schedule, which is the biggest update on this release. So what you can do on the script, on the schedule script, is that you can chain few scripts. So you see here you can add end variable, but you can also add another script. So you can order them, and you can define the schedule here. You can set the time and everything. That's UTC timing, by the way. So it's 0. You can assign devices to the script, so you can say which one you want to have. If you will have, where is it here? If you will build a new script schedule, let's do this. Let's add something here. Test. Let's add another one. Repeat. Save. I need to select a date. Okay. So that's here. And now if I'll go to edit devices, I can do add all devices and save. You can see here a preview of the selected devices, and you can remove some of them and save. You will be able to see here the execution history. And that's pretty much it for the script schedule. If we'll head over to the modules, you will see here Claude Sonnet 4.6. You'll also see we like the new OpenAI models are kind of performing pretty good per our testing. So we added them, and they have large context window. So we kind of recommend them. We kind of our go-to model is the Sonnet models, but if you want to experiment with OpenAI, they're pretty good. So feel free to do that. The DMG thing, like if we'll take, I think that's a Mac machine. If we'll take one of the Mac machines that we have, why it's not, I know it's not loading, but right now Faye has become a real DMG app. So you will be able to see her here. We used to run it as like a runnable executable, which was not great. Now it's kind of the way it should be. So she's running as a real DMG app. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it for this version. I think we covered everything. Bug fixes, yeah. Significant better experience from the both Mingo and Faye. So you're probably gonna see that as well. And that's pretty much it for this release. Working hard on PSA and knowledge management for the major release that is going to come out by the end of this quarter. Anyway, for now, thank you guys for taking part of our building process of the product, and hope you would like the new features, and let us know on the Open MSP Slack community if you find any bugs or anything missing in this new update. Thanks. Bye. Have a good week.